This procedure will demonstrate the use of eye wash equipment to minimize occupational exposure to pathogens if body fluids contact the eyes. Wash your hands or use hand sanitizer. Remove contact lenses or glasses. Before touching your eyes, put on gloves. Following the manufacturer's directions, turn on the eye wash unit. If it is a plumbed unit, the control valve should remain on until the unit is manually shut off. The normal reflex is to close your eyes tightly, but to remove all of the contaminated material, you need to hold your eyelids open with your thumb and index finger to ensure adequate rinsing of the entire eye and eyelid surface. Avoid aiming the water stream directly onto the eyeball because it could cause discomfort or damage. Flush your eyes and eyelids for a minimum of 15 minutes, rolling your eyes periodically to ensure complete removal of the foreign and possibly dangerous material. Properly remove your gloves and dispose of them in a waste container. Then wash your hands or use hand sanitizer again. After completion of the eye wash, follow post-exposure follow-up procedures, which may include an exposure incident form and provider follow-up.